Right, okay, guys. Good evening and welcome back. So, today let's continue the
Good
class.
evening, sir.
Good evening, right? Okay, good evening. Right. So, today I'm going to continue the discussion in business partnerships, right? Partnership type. Today I'm going to continue the discussion in partnership one. So, what I want to tell you in here, right? So, right, when it comes to this one, this is really easy. But today we need to finish the partnership one, and we are going to start the next part. What is the next part? Next part is incorporate. Sorry, no, incorporated companies, right? So, incorporated companies is really important. So, I want everyone with the videos, right? So, you need to stay with the videos. If not, I'm going to remove you, right? So no excuses. If you have any matter, just send it to my chat box. If not, next time I'm going to remove you, right? I don't care, right? Okay, everyone should stay with the videos, right? Okay, right, right. Okay, so now in here, last week I started about partnerships, right? So last week I started about partnerships. So today I'm going to continue the discussion in partnerships, right? Okay, just wait. Right. So if most of you guys are requesting the link after the class. Right. Okay. Right. Starting from new students, please raise your hands. New students, please raise your hands. Then are there any new students today? No, right? Okay. Right. So others. So today I'm starting from right. Uh, let's see. New students, please stay with the video. Right. Okay. Uh, Others are all students, right? Okay. So I'll ask questions later, right? Okay. Now in here today, what I want to tell you, let's start now. So I'm discussing about part. Yes.
සමලීම කරන්න බය කරලා ඉවරලා පස්සේ අහන්නම් කියලා. ඇයි?
Oh, එහෙම තමයි. ගිය සතියේ තවුනේ අන්තිම. මොකද කට්ටිය වීඩියෝ එක කරන්නේ නැත්නම් අහන්න. So those who are not with the videos, uh, make sure I'm going to ask the questions, right? Okay, so starting from you on, right? Okay, now in here, what I want to tell you, right? So, right, okay, sending links. Okay, now tell me what is a partnership? Can anyone tell me what is a partnership? Yes, guys, I'm yeah,
Um, the relationship among several people upon a one objective in a business.
relationship among two or more people. Okay,
People
so conducting
um,
business in
upon a
common,
one objective.
conducting business in common. Okay, so
With an objective.
with an objective of profit motive, right? Clear? So this is the term called partnerships, right? So when it comes to partnership, so how many minimum numbers? How much partners in the partnership? Two, right? Maximum 20, right? So minimum numbers of the partners in the partnership is two, maximum are 20, right? And also other than that, Now, when it comes to partnership, we can identify like there are 4 acts relevant to the partnership. Can you remember, guys, how many acts relevant to the partnership? 4, right? So 4 acts relevant to the partnership. So what are the 4 acts? Partnership coordinates number 1890. Okay, so it is the main act. Can you remember, right? So partnership ordinance number 1890. And there is another act, Companies Act number 7 of 2007. When it comes to Companies Act number 7 of 2007, so why Companies Act relevant to the partnership? The maximum number of partners in the partnership is decided by Companies Act. Understand? A maximum number 20. Other than that, can you remember Prevention of Fraud Ordinance number 7 of 1840? So if the startup capital more than 1,000, that partnership should maintain what? That partnership should maintain a written agreement. Understand? So other than that, business name ordinance number 6 of 1918 also relevant to the partnerships regarding the business. The business name is conduct not using the owner's full name. That business name should be, can you remember? So where we need to register? In uh, provincial council, but we deal with the divisional secretarial office. Can you remember? Same like the sole proprietorship. Are you okay up to here, guys? Right? So last week we discussed about these things, and can you remember? So I did up to here. New students, don't be afraid. Now, before starting, I want to tell you something. Uh, like next week, right? So what I'm going now, I'm going to send you a Google Drive link here. So what I'm going to send you a Google Drive link. This is the Google Drive link. Clear, guys? Okay. So I'm sending this one to the group. Is it clear, you guys? Okay. So this is great. This Google Drive for grade 10 English medium. In this Google Drive, so there are all relevant. Now there now up to now. So there are 3 tudes relevant to the theory class. Can you remember? Right. So 3 tudes, and these are the tudes. Background of business, right? Business environment and the nowadays we are discussing about business organization. And also there are some relevant notes relevant now. There are some notes මම දුන්නා සමහර notes homework විදිහට ලියාගන්න කියලා. ඒවා වීඩියෝ එකේ නෑ. දෙන්නවා. ඒක තියෙන්නේ මම ඔයගලන්ට group එකට දාන්න. ඒකත් මම මේක ළඟ upload කරනවා. දෙන්නවා. ඒතර tute එකේ blanks තියෙනවා ඔයගලන්ට මේකෙන් බලන් fill කරගන්න පුළුවන්. දෙන්නවද නම්? Right? And also we did 2 exams up to now. So all those things relevant to the paper revision class. This is the hybrid test 2. I'll upload the hybrid test 1 also. This is the hybrid test 2. This hybrid test 2 we did from, can you remember? So there were 22 MCQs, okay, with relevant first 2 lessons. Can you remember? Background of business and business environment.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, අපේ මේ presentations වල මේ topics දෙන්න ආයි කවදාද?
Topics.
ඔව්.
They know that. Right? Okay. Now in here, this is regarding the hybrid test 2. Okay. So we did an exam which comprises first 2 lessons, and there is another PDF of MCQ again, hybrid test 1, which means altogether I think 30 MCQs from the first lesson. Can you remember that? Okay. So I'm going to upload this one to here also. So new students, you can take printouts of these things and complete the notes. Is it clear to you guys? Is it clear to you? Right? And also other than that, what I want to tell you, and also other than that, what I want to tell you now in here, there is a book. Now from this month onwards, we can continue the things in paper revision class. So I'm going to discuss few papers. I'll show you what are the things. Now you know, taking printout, it's too hard to take printouts again and again. And I these are the books relevant to the paper revision class, right? මම මේක කලින් පෙන්නුවා ඊයේ සැරේ paper revision class එකේ මේකේ තියෙනවා මේ ඔක්කොම papers එකට දාලා දෙන්നാൽ number කරලා මෙහෙමයි හැදුවේ. එතකොට මේකේ පොත් දෙකක් තියෙනවා. එකක් තමයි papers පොත, අනිත් එක තමයි answers පොත, right? ඒතර මේ දෙක ඕගොල්ලන්ට මෙහෙම purchase කරන්න පුළුවන් ළඟදීම කියයි. So I included the newest one. I mean 2023 within brackets 2024 grade 10 third term papers. Clear, right? So Western Province and other provincial papers also in here. You can purchase it. Uh, Papers plus answer sheets, right? So these are the answer sheets and these are the papers. You can purchase this one in near future, right? So we will inform you through the notice group. So what I want to tell you, make sure to purchase this one also because it's relevant for the paper revision class. We can do the paper revision class uh, by taking those papers. Is it clear, you guys? Then you don't need to take printouts again and again. Clear? It's too hard to take printouts again and again, and you need to keep in a separate file, and that is the thing. And also, as I promised, I'm giving a book to all the accounting lessons. Clear? 4th lesson to 12 lessons, there is a book. I'll send it to you as well. So I keep my promise. So what I want to tell you, you can write the things relevant to accounting in this accounting books also. Then no need to take printouts. Only tudes relevant to the first 3 lessons, right? Other than that, no need tudes. I mean, you can continue the learning through the books. දැන් ඒතකොට ආයෙ print out ගන්න ඕනේ. ගෙදර ඉඳන් නිදාසේ පාඩුවේ කරන්න පුළුවන්. පොත් ගන්න කිව්ව ගමන් ඉක්මනට ගන්න. ඒකට හේතුව මේ ආයෙ පරක් වෙලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගත්තොත් paper revision දැන් paper revision class එකට අදාළ පොත ගත්තේ නැති වුණොත් ඔයාලට මම හිතන්නේ PDF උත් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ගන්න පුළුවන්. සමහරට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට cost එක කීයද කියලා මෙහෙන් හදලා කියයි. අපි ලොකු ගාණක් තියාගෙන නැහැ. printing cost එකට සහ delivery charge විතරයි අපි charge කරන්නේ. ඉතින් එහාට ලොකු profit එකක් තියාගෙන නැහැ. සාමාන්‍ය market එක යන rate එකකටත් වඩා අඩුවෙන් තමයි ඔය cost එක මේ page එක cost එක අපි calculate කරලා තියෙන්නේ. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට එහෙම print outs අරගෙන මේ ආයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ට හිතනවා නම් මට මේක ගන්න එකක් කියලා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පුළුවන් එහෙනම් PDF එකකින් නම් වෙන වෙනම print outs ගන්න. තේරෙනවද? හැබැයි මම past papers continue මම මේ term test papers continue කරන්නේ paper revision පොතේ තියෙන order එකට. මම එක දෙන්නවද ළම? right? මම paper revision පොතේ තියෙන order එකට first term එකේ ඒවා ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ පොත ඔයගොල්ලෝ purchase කරපු ගමන් ඉඳන්
Sir 2024 paper එක කියලා කිව්වේ මේ පාර leak වෙච්ච එකද නෑනේ?
නෑ. කොමර්ස් වල අවුලක් නෑ. කොමර්ස් වල ප්‍රශ්නයක් වුන්නේ නෑ. කොමර්ස් වල නම් තිබ්බා අවුලක් වුණෙත් නෑ. මේ කොමර්ස් නම් මං හිතන්නේ ආයෙත් තියයි කියලා. මේ ළඟ තිබ්බ වෙස්ටර්න් ප්‍රොවින්ස් පේපර් එකත් මම දැම්මා. මේ ළමෙක් මට කුඩිව කරලා ලෙව්වා. මොනවාද පික් මී ෆ්ලෑෂ් එකෙන් පේපර් ඉවේච් එක මං එදා හවස මෙව්වා. ඒක මං එහෙම ආයෙ දැම්ම පොතට. right? ඉතින් ඒක ආයෙ තිබ්බත් නැතත් ඒක තමයි ගන්න. එතනින් එහාට ආයෙ ඒව දාන්න වෙති. මම මේක එනකන් හිටියේ. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ඒතර අලුත්ම රීසන්ට් පේපර් එකත් ඔයගොල්ලෝ ළඟ තියෙනවා. මං කියලා දෙන්නද? එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලෝ third term එකදී ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේ පේපර් එක කරලා ගියාම exam එකට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට helpful. I don't know whether they will conduct the exams again or not. We don't care it. So this is the paper I concern. So I don't සමහරට තව එකක් තියෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. ඒතකොට ඒක අපි normal print out අරන් manually කරමු. Right? Easy clear to you guys? Right? And also now new students, make sure to take print out of these things. 3 duties and 2 papers, right? All things should be in your files. As I told you, you need to maintain 3 files and 2 books. Clear? You need to maintain everything clearly. Once we move to the new LMS, I'm going to check all your notes and all your tunes, right? Okay. Now, other than that, this is about the link, right? So this is about the Google Drive. So I'll send it to the group. Is it clear to you guys? Send me a thumbs up, right? Send me a thumbs up, right? Okay, new students, just raise your hands and wait. Okay, so right, okay. And the other than that, so what I want to tell you, okay, enough. Let's continue the lesson about partnerships. Now we discussed everything last week, and we about partnership agreements. Okay, right. Now, when it comes to partnership, what are the characteristics? Can you remember what are the characteristics of partnerships? I think we discussed these things, right? Did we discuss these things? Yes.
Maximum 20 members can they are in for one business day, as I remember. And
Okay. Number of members 2 to 20. Yes. Partnership agreements. You know, there can be a written, implied or oral agreement, right? But according to the Prevention of Fraud Ordinance, it should be a written agreement. As can you remember, guys? According to the Prevention of Fraud Ordinance, okay, if the startup capital is more than 1,000, හැමෝම දාපු සල්ලි 18 වැඩ. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් 1000න් බිස්නස් එකක් පටන් ගන්න නම් නේද? 1800 බර ගණන් වල බිස්නස් එකක් වෙන්න. 1000න් අද කාලේ නේද පාන් ගෙඩියක්වත් ගන්න හරි අමාරුයි නේ. ඒක නිසා මේ 1000න් බිස්නස් එකක් පටන් ගන්න බෑ අද. Right? Okay. Now, other than that, unlimited liability. Can anyone tell me what is the term called unlimited liability? Unlimited liability. What is the term called unlimited? My God. What is the term called liability? Please tell me what is the term called liability. If the business is going to wind up, if the available assets are not adequate to settle the liabilities, how owner personally liable to the business liabilities. Can you remember, guys? Right? The owner's liability is unlimited. Owner should sacrifice his or her personal properties to pay the liabilities. Can you remember? Now, when it comes to sole proprietorship partnership having unlimited liability, which means owner's sacrification is unlimited regarding the business. Can you remember, guys? Okay. And other than that, we discuss about legal personality. Can you remember? What is the term called legal personality? Legal personality means in the presence of law, okay, how we identify in the presence of law, whether we identify the business as a separate person or not. When it comes to sole proprietorship and partnership, no legal personality. All the activities relevant to the business should be conducted using owner's full name. Can you remember, guys? We can't use owner's personal name to the business. We can't use business name to the business activities. We need to use owner's personal name for the business. So, in concerning the sole proprietorship, there is the unlimited liability of the owner, and the legal personality is no legal personality. So we discussed about liability using the owner's perspective, right? We discussed about the legal personality from the business perspective. Is it clear to you guys? Right? Okay. And other than that, can you remember no separate legal personality and the not mandatory register according to the business name ordinance? No need to be registered, but if we conduct the business name not using the owner's full name, මං කිව්වා කොයිම ලෝකෙවත් කොයිම තැනකවත් අයිතිකාරයාගේ සම්පූර්ණ නම බිස්නස් නමකට යොදන්නේ නැහැ නේ. එම නෑ ඇත්තට. මේක නිසා කියන්නේ රෙජිස්ටර් කරපන් කියලා. Right? So no continuous existence. Right? Okay. And what are the advantages? Convenient to commence, can raise more capital. Convenient to commence, we discussed everything, right? We discussed everything last week. Convenient to commence means easily we can start, and the can raise more capital, which means since there are 2 to 20 persons, capital means the things owner provide to the business. So they think there are 10 members, 10 partners, so we can raise more capital. එක්කෙනෙක් ලක්ෂයක් ගන්න දැම්මත් 10 දෙනා ලක්ෂ 10ක් දානවා business. සල්ලි දියනවා. Can utilize different skills of partnership. I told you, like most of the time most of the lawyers, doctors, right, accountants, they start a business to use their different skills, right? දැන් ඔයා දන්නවද ඔය සමහර business වලට මේ සමහර කට්ටිය එයාගේ මේ තියෙන popularity එයාගේ තියෙන popularity එක එයා දාලා තියෙනවා business. For an example, like a brand ambassador. දන්නවද? Think about සංගක්කාර. ඔය සමහර ad වල හැම එකේම සංගක්කාරනේ ඉන්නේ. දැකලා තියෙනවද? මයිලෝ ගත්තත් සමහරට එකම එක්කිනා ඉන්නේ. එයා partner කෙනෙක්ගේ business. දැන් ප්‍රීමස් දෙලා නූඩල්ස් දෙකේ හැමදාම ඉන්නේ කවුද සංගක්කාරනේ? නැද්ද? හැමදාම ඉන්නේ සංගක්කාර. මොකද එයා ඇවිල්ලා මේ partner කෙනෙක්. එයා ads වලට විතරයි ඉන්නේ. එයා සමහරලාට පොඩි ගාණක් දාලා තියෙනවා. සමහරලාට මේ කොමරියට ප්‍රොෆිට් එකකින් ගානක් හම්. සමහර එකම ඇඩ් එකේ ඉන්නේ එකම එක්කෙනෙක්. right? අන්න ඒ වගේ. Shared liability among partners can take collective decisions. Right? So disadvantages of partnership, unlimited liability, it's an unlimited disadvantage. It comes to unlimited liability. Profit shared among partners, it's also a disadvantage. If we share the liability among partners, it's a disadvantage. Is it clear to you guys? Am I audible to you? Right? Okay. Now, other than that, conflicts among partners, then where the හදනෙක් විතර හිටියොත් දෙයක් කරන්න ගියාම මරා ගන්නවා, right? No continuous existence, right? No legal personality. These are disadvantage. Everything we discuss. This is a summary, right? Okay. Now, quickly move to the tute. The tute. Uh, you need to come here, right? So, characteristics, advantage, and disadvantage. So quickly write these things in here. It's in Tute page number 7. Tute page number 7. Quickly come to the Tute page number 6. You need to write these. You can write characteristics like this. Number of shareholders, minimum 2, maximum 20. There should be an agreement among partners. Unlimited liability of partners, not mandatory to register a partnership, no separate legal identity, no continuous existence, capital is invested by partners, advantages, so and disadvantage. Quickly write it and raise your hands. Once you finish, quickly raise your hands. On grade 11 English medium මේ සින්දුව පෙන්වන්නේ. grade 10 අයට පෙන්වුව සින්දු. නැද්ද ලා? on grade 10 ළමයිට
අපෝ එපා සර්.
ඒක
එපා.
වරු සින්දු ඒක පෙන්නන්න. අට්ටිගේ මොනවා දැක්කම නිදිමතේ වගේ.
සමන්නේ
නිදිමතේ නෑ සර්. නිදිමතේ නෑ. එපා.
නිදිමත නෑ සර් බය වෙන්න දෙයක් නෑ නිදිමත
සින්දුව
නෑ
සින්දු ඕනෙද එපා.
පොඩ්ඩක්වත් නෑ.
එපා මම පෙන්නන්න
සර් බය වෙන්න දෙයක් නෑ අපිට වතුර එකක් තියෙනවා අපි නිදිමත හැදෙන්නේ
අපි බලමු අපි වැඩි ඡන්දේ බලමු සින්දුවක් තියෙනවා බලන්න කැමති අය ඉන්නවද නැද්ද? කැමති අය රේස් හෑන්ඩ් එකක් දාන්න.
අවුරුදු මොඩ වැඩ කරන්න එපා.
ඒක ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ගැලපෙනවා. හැබැයි පෙන්නන්නේ නැහැ ඊට පස්සේ. දෙන්නයි. කට්ටිය ඉන්නවා මොකද කියන්නේ සින්දුවක් තියෙනවා බලමු. right, okay. Enough. Majority people,
තාම යාලා.
majority students wants to watch the song, right? Okay, now lower your raised hands. Once you finish the writing, now raise your hands. After that, I'll share the song to you. Hurry up, quickly write it and raise your hands. And anyone gets the song? Just give a hint. Don't tell the song things. What are the things in
Sir.
here? Yeah, just give a hint.
සර්
Yes.
ඉස්සර ස්ක්‍රීන් එක මේ පෙන්නකොට ඒක සින්දුවක් තිබුණා මම දැක්ක හැබැයි මම කියන්නේ
ආව් ඒක තමයි
ඒක තමයි.
ජටලව තිබුණේ.
Okay. So others saw nice background, Abdul. Okay, really nice. Okay, nice. Huh? Let's see, Abdul. එලා පොඩ්ඩයි hard වෙනවා. මේ පිටිපස්සේ තියෙන එක පේන්නේ. අම්බෝ. Right. Okay, really nice. Okay. Don't now get up.
very nice
Very nice. Okay, thank you.
මං හිතේ සර් ඒ ගියපු විතර නිදා ගන්නවා ගියා කියලා.
මං හිතුවා ඩිස් එකකට thank you. Okay, quickly write it and raise your hands. Abdullah doing new things, right? I can remember your video also, presentation. Still, I can remember your presentation. Very good.
I like doing new things, sir.
Right. Okay. Very good. That should be the thing, right? So others also please turn on the video. Better then we can have an interactive session, right? Done? On video. Senuka, Oshim, Abdullah, Gihansa, Jihan, Misha, Hiruni, and Saini. Once you finish, raise your hand. Right. Hiruni and Saini, Misha, Jihan, and Gihansa. Have you finished? Okay, now this song is really interesting. Why? This is about why you need to learn, right? Okay, shall I share it? Okay. Right. Now, okay. දැන් මේකේ පොඩි සින්දුවක් කට්ටිය වීඩියෝ ඔන් කරන් බලන් ඉමු ඈ. පස්සේ ඊළඟ කැලලට යන්නම් අපි පොඩක් කම්මැලි ගම යන්නත් එක බලමු නැත්තම් කට්ටිය නිදිමත ඉන්නේ. right? Okay. හරි. මොකද්ද සින්දුව? මේ ඉන්නේ ඕගොල්ලෝ ගැන තමයි කියන්නේ. just wait. Okay. Right. So now when it comes to this song, this is about you, right? Hammelia, right? Okay. Just wait. Just watch. Okay, all the camellias in here, right? Okay. Okay, right. So now you need to watch this one. This is really interesting. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
First watch, then let's discuss. Okay. First of all, watch this one, then let's discuss.
විශු බෝයි ගෙම්බා කම්මැලි වෙලා කොහමද ලෝකය ජයගන්නේ නෑ කියා බෑ කියා හිටියොත් නෑ හරියන්නේ කම්මැලි වෙලා කොහමද ජීවිතේ ජයගන්නේ නෑ කියා බෑ කියා හිටියොත් නෑ හරියන්නේ අනේ ගෙම්බා මාමේ අපි හෙජකස්මු මජ බෑ පාඩම් කළාගේ මට නිදි මජයි පාඩම් වැඩ කඳු ගානට උසයි හෙට කරනවා අද නම් බෑ තමයි පුළුවන් කිව්වොත් පුළුවන් තමයි බෑ කිව්වොත් අදේ බෑම තමයි කම්මැලි වෙලා කොහමද ලෝකය ජයගන්නේ නෑ කියා බෑ කියා හිටියොත් නෑ හරියන්නේ කම්මැලි වෙලා කොහමද ජීවිතේ ජයගන්නේ නෑ කියා බෑ කියා හිටියොත් නෑ හරියන්නේ ආනකින්න දොయ్య ගත්ත ඇති කම්මැලි නම් දවසම නිදි මතයි තරගෙට පිට පිට ඈනුම් ගොඩයි හිටගෙන හරි නිදි යන්නට හිතයි චී ඔයා හරි නරකයිනේ කම්මැලි වෙලා කොහමද ලෝකය ජයගන්නේ නෑ කියා බෑ කියා හිටියොත් නෑ හරියන්නේ කම්මැලි වෙලා කොහමද ජීවිතේ ජයගන්නේ නෑ කියා බෑ කියා හිටියොත් නෑ හරියන්නේ වතුරට වහින්න වෙනවා පීනන්න ඉගෙන ගන්න ඇවිදලා බෑ කවදාවත් දුවන්න පුරුදු වෙන්න රටට බරක් නැති දුවෙක් පුතෙක් ලෙස ලෝකේ ජය ගන්න හෙට විඳින්න නම් අද විඳවන්නට වෙනවා ඒකයි ඇත්ත කම්මැලි වෙලා කොහමද ලෝකය ජයගන්නේ නෑ කියා බෑ කියා හිටියොත් නෑ හරියන්නේ කම්මැලි වෙලා කොහමද ජීවිතේ ජයගන්නේ නෑ කියා බෑ කියා හිටියොත් නෑ හරියන්නේ
කවුද මේ උදේ පාන්දර 10ට කෑ ගහන ගෙව්වා නිදා ගන්න දෙන්න ඇත්ත මනුස්සයෝ මං කුක්කුවේ කවත් බියේ නෑ තාම මේ නුවන් මල්ලි කොලින් මල්ලිනේ
Right. Okay, guys, am I audible to you?
yes sir
yes sir
yes sir
Am I audible to you or not? Yes or no?
yes sir
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Okay, yes. Right. දැන් මොකද හිතන්නේ සින්දුව ගැන? මැසේජ් නම් තියෙනවා. I can't hold my laugh. දැන් මේ සින්දුව කියන්නේ ඕගොල්ලෝ ගැන තමයි. කම්මැලි වෙන මොකද මූණවල දැක්කහම අයියෝ එපා වෙන. නිදිමත එන්නේ. ඇහුන්නේ. මොකද්ද?
ඒක නිකන් ෂූටින් මාටින් වගේ
ඈ? ඇහුන්නේ.
ෂූටින් මාටින් වගේ
ෂූටින් මාටින්. ඒක මම හිතා ලංකාවේ හදපු එකක් හැබැයි හරියටම ලංකාවේ ගොඩක් අයට ගැලපෙන්න හදලා තියෙනවා. right okay. now දැන් ආයි කට්ටිය කම්මිලි වගේ පෙන්නුත් ඒක තමයි ජාතික ගීය වගේ ප්ලේ කරන්නේ. දැන් මේක ප්ලේ කරනවා. right. Atini Maragati Dyotti, right? Okay. Now in here, what I want to tell you.
සරත් ඉදිරියෙන් ඉඳලා හොයාගන්න හොඳ හොඳ ඒවා.
ඇත්ත මරු සිංදුවක් මම ඕක ගෙම්ම කියලා කියන යාගේ සීරි එක ලස්සන ඒවා තියෙනවා තව එක සමහරව ප්ලේ කරන්න බෑ බාන්නු වෙලාවකට නිකන් කිය right okay now in here right let's see what are the similarities among sole proprietorship and partnership. Now when it comes to this lesson, you know, we already discussed about first of all we discussed about sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship means owned by an individual. Can you remember? Can you tell me what is the act number relevant to sole proprietorship? Only one act, right? Business Name Ordinance number 6 of 1918 only relevant to sole proprietorship. Can you remember, guys? Which means just only less legal, only one act relevant to the sole proprietorship. So when it comes to partnership, there are 4 acts. Though there are 4 acts, now it's with only minor influence. Clear? ගොඩක් ලොකු ඉන්ෆ්ලුවන්ස් එකක් නැහැ පොඩි මේකක් තියෙන ඇක්ට්ස් 4ක් තිබ්බ කියලා ලොකු එකක් නැහැ. Now when it comes to incorporated company, next chapter, next business organization, so it's only one act. Companies Act number 7 of 2007, but it's a lengthier act, right? So now you know then partnerships වලටත් sole partnership වලටත් incorporated company act එකේ එක section එකක් බලපානවා මතක, right? The maximum numbers of the partners in the partnership was decided by Companies Act, right? 2007 or number 7 of 2007, minimum to maximum 20. Is it clear to you, right? So when it comes to partnership also, so Companies Act number also relevant to partnership, only one section, which means what it says only maximum numbers of the partners in the partnership should be 20, right? Then සමහරු කියනවා මේ මොනවාද පාර්ටනර්ෂිප් එකේ මිනිමම් 2 කියලා ඩිසයිඩ් කරලා තියෙන්නේ ඉන්කෝපරේටඩ් කම්පැනි එකක් කියලා. ඒක නෑ. මොකද මම කම්පැනි එකක් එක උඩින් ඉඳන් යටටයි යටින් ඉඳන් උඩටයි 3-4 පාරක් කියවලා තියෙනවා. right? අපිට තිබ්බ වෙනම කමර්ෂල් ලෝ කියලා මොඩියුල් එකක් යුනිවර්සිටි ඉන්න කාලේ ඒකෙදි කම්පැනි ඇක්ට් එක මම දෙපාරක් 3 පාරක් කියවලා තියෙනවා. ඒක නිසා කම්පැනි ඇක්ට් එකේ අස්සක් මුල්ලක් නෑරම් මම දන්නවා. right? maximum numbers එක විතරයි කම්පැනි ඇක්ට් එකෙන් ඩිසයිඩ් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. minimum number එක ඩිසයිඩ් කරලා නෑ. තේරුණාද? right? මම කියන්නේ මේ partnerships, right? Okay. Now when it comes to similarities among partnerships, right, and incorporated company, what are the similarities? Okay, write the first one in here. You can write the first one in here. So what is the first one? What is the first one? First one, aim of making profits. Write the first one, aim of making profit. Both sole proprietorship and partnership with the aim of making a profit. Aim of making a profit. Aim of making profit. Don't write A, aim of making profit. Right? You know, when it comes to both sole proprietorship and partnerships with the aim of making profit, which means the objective of to earn profit. Clear? Right? This is the main one. Okay, in second one you can write, in second one in here, right, you can write not mandatory to register, no need to be registered according to, but as per the Business Name Ordinance number 6 of 1980, registration is mandatory if the business is to be run not using the owner's full name in sole proprietorship. Also, if the partnership is conducted not using partner's full name, so there is a mandatory necessary to be registered. Is it clear to you guys? Right? Write the second one, not mandatory to register. First one, aim of making profit. Second one, not mandatory to register. Right. What is the third one? Third one. In here, right? In here, third one. No legal personnel. No legal personnel. No separate legal entity. Within brackets, not considered as a legal person in front of law. No legal personnel. No separate legal entity. not considered as a legal person in front of law. Right? Clear? Third one, right? This no legal personality, right? No separate legal entity, not considered as a legal person in front of law, right? So if you need, you just, oh, you only need to only need to be right, no legal person, up to you. If you need, you can write the whole thing. Clear? Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
සර් පිටරට කෙනෙක් ඇවිල්ලා අපේ ලංකාවේ මේ බිස්නස් එකක් පටන් ගත්තොත් එහෙම يعني එයා මේ ඒ ලංකාවේ
ඒක
මෙයා
මම
ගන්න
කියන්නම් ඊළඟ එකේ. මොකද ඒක ගොඩක් වෙලාට පිටරට කෙනෙක් කියලා ලංකාවේ පාර්ට්නර්ෂිප් එකක් පටන් ගන්න. පිටරට කෙනෙක් කියලා සාමාන්‍යයෙන් පටන් ගන්න incorporated company. Right? So it's in next part. Clear? So I will clearly explain it in part. Right. Fourth one, what are the similarities in here? You can write the fourth one in here. Right? Fourth one in here. Right? Fourth one is unlimited liability. Owner or owner's liability, unlimited liable for all the debts of the business. Unlimited liability. Unlimited liability. Owner or owners unlimitedly liable for all the debts of the business. Next one, final one, you can write in here, this part. Accounting is not mandatory. Accounting is not mandatory. Accounting is not mandated. Write the next one. You don't have the tune, just write in a piece of paper the main thing, right? Don't need to write these bullet things. Accounting is not mandated. Right? Accounting is not mandated. Okay, let's see what are the similarities. මේ දෙකම අතර තියෙන සමානකම් මොනවාද? Similarities means what? සමානකම්. මේ දෙකේම තියෙන සමානකම් මොනවාද? First one. Aim of making profit. මේ දෙකම, so their main intention is to make profit. Clear? Right? So with profit motive. Not mandatory register according to the no need to be registered, but if the business name is conduct, not using the full name of the owner or partners, need to be registered. Can you remember? Right? So according to that, it's in the bullet point. No legal person. දෙකම business දෙකම මේ sole proprietorship partnership කියන දෙකම නීති ඉස්සරහා පුද්ගලයෙක් විතර පිළිගන්නේ නැහැ. තේරෙනවද? දෙන්න ඕනම තමයි පුද්ගලයෙක් විතර පිළිගන්නේ. ඕන හරි partners. Unlimited liability, which means owner's liability is unlimited. Owner's liability is what? Unlimited, right? Which means owner is personally liable for the business liability. Easy creative, right? And also accounting is not mandatory. දැන් ඔයා දන්නවනේ ගෙවල් ළඟ තියෙන ඉතර කාඩේ. මේ business හදන්නේ මේ business වල ඇත්තටම accounting තියනවද ළමයි නෑ. ඕනේ නිකන් කොල කෑල්ලක් කරගෙන. එයාට එන සල්ලි මේවයි, ගිය සල්ලි මෙච්චරයි කියලා ඕන ලියනවා විතරයි. ඕන සාමාන්‍යයෙන් accounting තියන්නේ නෑ. ඕ sole proprietor. Companies වල එහෙම බෑ. It's a mandatory requirement. That's why now in here we also maintain accounts in Guru University. Right? Now this is a partnership. Now this is a private limited. Right? Next, incorporated company. Right? But when it comes to sole proprietorship and partnership, it's not a legal requirement to maintain in the accounts. බලන්නේ රජයෙන් ඇවිල්ලා government එකෙන් ඇවිල්ලා බලන්නේ check කරන්නේ. ඒ company එකක් වුණාම government එකට හැම අවුරුද්දකට පාරක්ම account set එක දෙන්නේ. මං කිය තියෙන්නේ. Right? මේක රෙජිස්ටර් ඕන නෑ. දැන් ගෙවල් ළඟ තියෙන එක්කිනා නිකන් කොල කෑල්ලක් කරන් හම්බුනේ කොච්චරද කිව්වේ කොච්චරද කියලා ලියලා දෙනවා. අපි daily මෙහි accounts හදනවා. දැන් මම මෙහි accounts හදනවා. අපි daily හදනේවා ලියනේවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ දාන සල්ලි වල amounts tally කරලා bank balance හදලා ඔක්කොම වෙනවා මේක tally කරලා හදන්න. මේ part companies වල අනිවාර්යයි. sole proprietorship partnership වල අනිවාර්යයෙන් ඕන්නම් තියන්න. දැන් අපි O level commerce වල කියලා දෙන්නේ මොනවද? sole proprietorship වල accounts තියන්නේ කොහොමද? මම කියදෙන්නත් O level commerce වල අපි කියන්නේ කොහොමද? අපි O level commerce වල කියලා දෙන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට sole proprietorship වල accounts තියන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා. ඉතින් A level commerce වල අපි කියලා දෙනවා accounting වල partnership accounts කොහොමද maintain කරන්නේ? Incorporated company accounts maintain කරන්නේ කොහොමද? තේරෙනවද? right? campus level එක university level එකට ආවම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කියනවා company දෙක තුනක් කොහොමද accounts එකට maintain. Now you know. Now I think you know about this one, right? So now when it comes to company, now in here you know, right? Now think about this one. Now in O level, you know this is a sole proprietor. What is this, guys? Sole proprietor. Okay, and think this is a partnership. You know, in sole proprietorship, one owner. In partnership, 2 to 20 owners. Okay, and also there is another category called company. I'll tell you what is the term called companies. We discussed this one in last paper revision class also. Can you remember, guys? I discussed about shares. Can you remember? Right? Primary market, secondary market. Right? So we discussed this one also. Now in O levels, we discussed about this one. How to maintain accounts in sole proprietorship. ඉතින් බාන්න O level commerce ඉගෙන ගන්න කෙනෙක්ට තනියෙන් business එකක් පටන් ගන්න බැරි කමක් තේරෙනවද? තනියෙන් ඔයාට කේක් බිස්නස් එකක් හරි පටන් ගන්න පුළුවන් වගේ. තේරෙනවද? නේද? ඊළඟට අපි A levels වල උගන්වනවා මේ
ප්‍රශ්නයකට තියෙන කටේ තියන්න පුළුවන් වෙයිද දන්නේ
ඇහුන්නේ නැහැ.
ප්‍රශ්නයකට තියෙන නිසා කටේ තියන්න පුළුවන් වෙයිද දන්නේ
ඔව් අනේ ඒක වෙනම කතාවක්. So then you earn a loss first month එකේ ඔයාලට profit එකක් තියෙයි. ඔයාලට ඈදයි ඔක්කොටම බලෙන් sell කරනවා. right? කේක් ගන්න මෙන්න මගේ අලුත් business එක කියලා බලෙන් දෙනවා සමහරු. ඔව්.
Sir, there will be not only profit, patience also there will be.
There can be a patience, yes, patience. We need to find doctors also, right? Okay. Now this is a partnership, right? We discussed how to maintain accounts in partnership and companies in A levels, right? And also we can identify when it comes to companies, you know, then company acquire කරගන්න නෝදන්න. දැන් මේ හිතන්න මේ එක company. මේ company එකට පුළුවන් තව company එකක් acquire කරන්න. මම කියලා දෙන්නම් කොහොමද කියලා. මේකේ shares මේගොල්ලෝ purchase කරා මෙයා acquire. මෙයා ගිහිල්ලා තව මේකක් ගත්තාම මේ එතකොට දැන් මේ A company, මේ B company, මේ C company. So this company acquire this one by purchasing shares. I'll tell you. This company acquire this one. ඒතකොට දැන් ඇත්තටම C company ultimately IT වෙන්නේ මෙයාට A ට නේද? මම කිය දෙන්නවද? මොකද මං මෙයා දැන් හිතන්න නිකන් හිතන්න කවුද කිඹුලෙක් ඇවිල්ලා නෑ කිඹුලට වඩා මුලින්ම සිංහෙක් ඇවිල්ලා මුවෙක්ව කන. හරිද? ඊට පස්සේ මොනවාද සිංහයාව කනවා කිඹුලා. දැන් අන්තිම කිඹුලාගේ බඩ ඇතුලේ සත්තු කී දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවද? දෙන්නෙක් ඉන්නවා. නේද? සිංහයයි මො ඒ වගේ දැන් මෙයා ගිහිල්ලා මෙයා මෙහව ගත්තාම මෙයා අල්ටිමේට්ලි අයිති වෙන්නේ කාටද? මෙයාට. right? තේරෙනවද? ඒ වගේ so we need to maintain accounts in the whole group. We call this one as consolidated accounts. It's really complex here. So this is advanced accounting. So you are learning this one in university level, right? Okay. Now what I want to tell you in here, let's see what are the differences. Let's see what are the differences, right? Comparison between sole proprietorship. Let's do a comparison, right? So differences, right? Okay. First one, I think in here there is the one. First one, the ownership belongs to an individual or one person. Right? In the partnership side, ownership belongs to partners of the partnership between 2 to 20%. Yeah, opposites. Ownership belongs to the partners of the partnership. Ownership belongs to the partners of the partnership between 2 to 20%. You need to write this one only. If you don't have the with you, just write this one. Other part in the right? Next one. Number of members in here. Number of members minimum 2 and maximum 20. In here, number of member minimum 1, minimum and maximum 1, both 1. Capital is provided by the owner. In here, capital is provided by the partners. In here, profit is enjoyed by the owner alone and losses are borne along. But in partnership, profit and losses are divided among partners. හැමෝම අතර බෙදිලා යනවා. Profit losses. Liability must be borne along. In here, there is shared liability. What is the term called shared liability? Liability is shared among partners. It's a good situation, right? Liability is shared among partners. Managed by owner and independent decision making. Managed by partners and collective decision making. Finish up to here and raise your hands. Finish up to here and raise your hands.
සර්
Yes.
සර් බිස්නස් එකක සර් මේ ඕනර්ස්ලා ඉන්න පුළුවන් එක්කෙනායිද අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම?
Sole proprietorship එක එක්ක නෑ, partnership එක 2 to 20 ඉන්නවා. අයිතිකාරය.
ඒකට සර් සෝල් ප්‍රොප්‍රයිටර්ෂිප් එක දෙන්නෙක් ඉන්න දෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඒකට ඒක පාර්ට්නර්ෂිප් එකක් කරනවා එහෙම.
ඔව් දී sole proprietorship කියන තනි පුද්ගල ව්‍යාපාරක අයිතිකාරව දෙන්නෙක් ඉන්නවා.
ඒ කියන්නේ සර් පාර්ට්නර්ස්ලා කියන්නේත් ඒක අයිතිකාරයෝද?
ඔව්. Partnership means partners are the owners.
සර්
Yes.
මේ පාර්ට්නර්ෂිප් විදියට වන මේ බිස්නස් දෙකක් වන මේ ඒක පාර්ට්නර්ෂිප් එකක් විදියට ගන්න බෑද?
business උත් part ඒක මම පස්සේ දැන් මේමයි. දැන් මට එක කම්පැනියක් අයිති. තේරෙනවද? හරි ඒතර මම හිතන මට එක business එකක් අයිති. I'm the sole it's a sole proprietorship. Clear? Avindya, right? Avindya also having a sole proprietorship. Okay? Now we both merge together and conduct a partnership. Clear? දැන් අපි දෙන්නට sole proprietorship දෙකක් වෙන වෙනම තියලා අපි දෙන්න partnership එකක් තව business එක. කියන්නේ අපි දෙන්නගේ business එක එහෙම යනවා. එතන අපේ මගේ business එකේ නම A, අවින්දගේ business එකේ නම B. ඒ දෙක එහෙම function වෙන ගමන් තව AB කියලා partnership එකකුත් පටන් ගන්නවා. තේරෙනවද? එහෙම right?
ඕකේ සර්.
Once you finish writing, raise your hands.
සර් අද අපිට accountings පටන් ගන්න පුළුවන්ද?
අද බෑ තව තියෙනවා. Let's give me another 2-3 weeks because this lesson should be 100% perfect. Yeah?
සර්
Yes.
ඊළඟ ටී ටික දානකොට දවස් මේ කීපකින් කලින් දාන්න පුළුවන්ද සර්? ඇයි print කරගන්න අපේ තාත්තා ඔෆිස් එකට යන්නත් ඕනේ.
නෑ ඊළඟ එකේ ඉඳන් print කරගන්න නෑ මං කිය පොත එන්නේ කියලා accounting. අවුලන්නේ. right? මේ දෙක මෙතනින් පස්සේ පොත තියෙයි. දැන් මේ මාසේ සමහර විට අන්තිම සතියේ හරි ලබන මාසේ මුල හරි වගේ තමයි accounting වලට යන්නේ. මොකද මේ 15 වෙනි පාඩම් තුනේ උනාට පස්සේ ලොකු exam එකක් තියෙනවා. From first 3 lessons. Yes. I'm going to give you 4 hours exam. ඒ කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? theory පන්තියේ පැය දෙකයි, paper revision පන්තියේ පැය දෙකයි exams දෙකක්. එනවා. theory පන්තියේ දෙනවා MCQ 60ක හෝ 70ක MCQ test එක. තේරුණාද? paper revision පන්තියේ දෙනවා 2 hours reading paper එක.
සර්
Yes.
ඕරවල් පේපර් එක මොන වගේද?
මම පස්සේ කියන 3 hours, right? One hour for the first part, second hour for the second, 2 hours for the second part, right? So ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මේ month එකේ last week එකේ right theory පන්තියේ paper revision පන්තියේ දෙකේම exams දෙකක් තියෙනවා. තේරුණාද? right? තේරුණාද? first part එකේ කොහොමද වෙන්නේ? MCQ ටික අර platform එකකින් තියෙනවා. තේරුණාද? second part එක කොහොමද වෙන්නේ? paper එකේ මම දානවා group එකට. right? password එකක් එක්ක. හරි ඔයාට open කරලා මම කියන්නම් කොහොමද First of all, write it and raise your hand. So, what is the books to be used? Single rule or square rule? Don't use square rule. Right? Don't use square rule, because in your O levels also you need to use single rule. Clear? So
සර් ඒ කියන්නේ කොළ දෙකම ගේන්න ඕනේද සර්?
ඒ කියන්නේ මම මෙහෙමයි. මං කියන්නේ maths වලටත් ඔයගොල්ලෝ පුළුවන් නම් single rule use. ඇයි? O level paper එකේ O level answer sheet එක දෙන maths paper එකටත් දෙන්න single rule එක. එහෙනම් square rule දෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයා ඕන subject එකකට square rule ගන්න එපා. It's my opinion. Right? Up to you, up to your subject master. I don't know. මක්කරේ ඇහුවනේ අවින්ද මොකද්ද කිව්වේ? මක්කරේ ඇහුවනේ. තව කවුරු හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක්. Have you finished, guys? Jeon, Iruni and Saini, Gihansa, Jasasi, Jehan, Misha, Dumet. Okay, I think we did presentations only in first lesson, right? Here, I can remember your video, right? I'll give the
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I think we need to do the presentations in second one also, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll allocate the things this Wednesday, right? Clear? So I'll allocate the topics this Wednesday, clear? Right? So I'm giving 1 week to you can 1 week you can ready and come. Is it clear to you guys? Right? This Wednesday, I mean in paper revision class, I'm giving the topics from second lesson, clear? Right? Business environment. So I'm giving 1 week. 13th you need to present. Clear? Is it clear to you guys? Okay. So you need to be ready and calm. So you can use any material, anything. I think you know the thing.
So
Okay.
in both days.
Sorry.
So in both days.
In
13.
30. Sorry. Yes, 30. අවුලක් නැහැ නේ පුළුවන් 1 week වලින් ready වෙන්න බැරිද අමාරු. අවුලක් නැහැ. නැහැ. Right? 6 දෙන්නේ topics ටික 1 week හම්බ වෙනවා. අවුලක් නැහැ. Right?
Sir, what's the lesson? Based
Sir, but 1 week and 2 days only, sir.
ඇයි ඉතින් 60 and sorry?
I need 1 week and 2 days.
You need 1 week. Okay, I'll give the topics on 6th. I'll get the presentations on 20th. Okay?
No,
Two-
I mean 1 week and 2 days.
1 week and 2 days. You need 1 week and 2 days, right?
Yeah.
So you can give the topics today.
Okay, is it okay if I give the topics today? Right? So at the end of the class, I'll give the topics to you. Okay? So let's do it 20th, 30th. Is it okay? Right? Okay. Say as like this same previous one, I'm giving the present to the best presenter, right? Okay, best presenter. Right?
present in the class.
Okay. Right. Okay. Now in here, right? Okay. Now these are the disadvantage. Sorry, comparison. Right. Now what I want to tell you. Now during the last week, කවද්ද අන්තිම සතියේ theory එකයි paper revision. Paper revision. දැන් අලුතෙන් ආපු ළමයි පරණ වීඩියෝ ගොඩක් නෑ පොඩ්ඩයි තියෙන්නේ හිමින් ඉන්න ගමන් බලලා පුළුවන් නම් පළවෙනි exam එක කරන්න. මං කිව්වා ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ marks වෙනම මම record කරලා තියෙන්නේ. මතකයිනේ, right? මං කිව්වා ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ කලින් ඒවා marks I'll release it with the final exam. So this month, last week, I mean 25th and 27th. Here, there will be 2 exams, right? So covering the first 3 lessons because we did only first 3 lessons. Now I'm doing the 3rd lesson also. These first 3 lessons relevant to the first term, grade 10 first term. Here, only first 3 lessons. Is it clear, you guys? අපි දැනට ඉස්කෝලේ පටන් ගත්තා අපි first term එක ඉවරයි. ඔයාලා ඉන්නේ මොනවාද national school නම් first term එක ඉවරයි. first term එක ඉවර නිසා මම theory පන්ති, ඒ කියන්නේ theory පන්ති කියන්නේ කවද්ද? 25th, paper revision 27th. There will be 2 exams. මම ඔන්න කලින්ම කියලා තියෙන්නේ 25th and 27th. Clear? You know the class time is 4 to 6 in here. In here 4 to 6, same, right? 4 to 6 p. Okay, so which means 2 hours. 2 hours. And සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ඉස්කෝලේ 2 hours first paper එකට හම්බෙන්නේ 1 hour. නමුත් මම 2 hours දෙනවා. ඉස්කෝලේ first paper එකට හම්බෙන්නේ MCQ 40. මම මෙතන MCQ 80 දෙනවා. 60 or 80. Clear? For the 2 hours වාට මම දෙනවා, right? I'll tell like 80 MCQ, right? And in here, second paper, it's easy. දැම්ම කියලා තින්නේ පස්සේ කිව්වේ නැහැ කියන්නේ. තේරුණාද? right? දැන් මොකද අපි කලින්ම ඉවරයි. දැන් මේක නම් අපිට මොකක් හරි platforming කරන්න පුළුවන්. තේරුණාද? මේක platforming කරන්න පුළුවන්. මේක කොහොමද වෙන්නේ? second paper එකට කොහොමද? second paper එකේ මෙන්න මෙහෙමයි කරන්න හොඳට අහගන්න. Now I'm starting the meeting, right, at 3:50 p.m. කීයටද? 3:50 p.m. ඔයා කලින් log වෙන්න, right? 3:50 p.m. right? And I'm sending the PDF to the group. I'm sending the PDF to where? Group.
සර්
Go ahead.
මන්ඩේ
Huh?
එක මන්ඩේදී
නෑ. Second paper එකේ තියෙන්නේ Wednesday 27th, right? 27th. Clear? Wednesday paper revision. PR clear? ඒකෙදි ඔයා කොහොමද කරන්නේ? ඔයා paper එක බල උත්තර ලියනවා කොලම. තේරෙනවද? ලියලා, right? So I'm giving the paper at 4 p.m. right? 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. දැන් ඉවර වෙන්නේ කීයටද? 4ට. හරිද? මම 4ට අනිත් ක්ලාස් එක පටන් ගන්නවා. I'm having another class at 4 p.m. Okay? So what you need to do, I'm giving additionally 10 minutes. කීයද? 10 minutes. 4 p.m. to 4:10 p.m. This is the submission time period. කීයද? Submission. ඉන්න විනාඩි 10කින් පස්සේ මම answer script accept කරන්නේ නැහැ. මම මගේ එක්කෙනෙක් allocate කරනවා. ඔයා ඒ නම්බරයට scan කරලා PDF කරලා phone එකෙන් photo ගහලා මම කියන්නම් කොහොමද PDF එකක් විතර හදන්න කියලා online. 4 ඉඳන් 4:10 අතරට ටක් ගාලා answer sheet එක යවන්න ඕනේ. ඔයාගේ rename එක. තේරුණාද? Right? I'm giving 10 minutes for the submission time period. Clear? So you need to rename it after 4:10 p.m. I'm not accepting the papers. Clear? Is it clear to you? Right? You need to send the papers within 10 minutes. Just only take pictures. ඒක විනාඩි දෙකක් යයි. පින්තූර ගහලා PDF එකක් හදාගන්න. Cam scan app එක use කරන විදිහ කියලා දෙන්න. තේරුණාද? Right? This is how we did the exams in university during the corona pandemic. Sorry. 4 නේ. Sorry. 4 නෙමෙයි 6. 4 නෙමෙයි. කරදුනා මම. ඔව් අපි
සර් හම්බ වෙනවා කොහොමද මේ හතර
ඒක තමයි guys. 6 p.m. to 6:10 p.m. 10 minutes. Clear? Right? I na hai hai. Right? Because you can't copy. I'm doing this in different ways. I'm preparing different papers. I'll tell you how to do it. Clear? Okay. Is it clear, you guys? Right? Okay. So this is how you need to do. You don't need to take printouts. Paper printouts are karan paper time time period. Then don't take printouts. Just observe the paper by watching the like using the phone or anyhow. You need to answer. Since this is an open book exam, it will be tough. Clear? This is an open book. I don't know whether you are copying or not. I'm giving big scenarios and asking questions. Clear? Like case studies, right? So you I'm applying the practical knowledge. So I mean, not tough. Can use the things, but I'm asking the practical things which very similar to the O-level papers. Clear? Is it clear to you guys? Right? So this is how I'm going to test your online idiot. Right? Okay. Enough. Now this is the end of the partnerships. Are you okay up to here, guys? Right? Right. Now I'm starting next business organization. Right? But before starting the next business organization, let's move to the Q&A session. Right? Okay. Now I'm start. Don't turn on the video off the videos. Right? Okay. There should be 27 participants. I'll check. Right. Okay. Starting from new students, please raise your hands. New student, can you raise your hand? Today day one, huh? New students means today day one, right? So right, starting from who wants the chance? Okay. Senit Niyayudaya, can you turn on the videos? Right. Okay. Can you tell me what are the two main objectives of the business and three sub objectives of the business? Sorry, I can't hear you. Can you're muted? I don't know whether guys can you hear?
No, sir.
Sir,
No. Again, can you try? Hmm. Okay, earning profit, customer satisfaction. These are the two main objectives. What are the three sub objectives? Yes. Employee welfare. Okay. Another two. Don't look the book, right? Generating employment opportunities, increasing the quality of good and service. I think something wrong with your mic. Yeah, repair it next time, right? Fix it next time and study, right? Okay. Now next one. Okay, turn on the raise your hands, Senith, right? Okay. Now I'm moving to okay, one left. Now the participant count is how much? 26. I can catch. Okay. Right. Now I'm moving to Kavit. Right? Can you tell me what is the term called globalization? And what are the positive things and negative things? Two positive things and three negative things of globalization. You're muted.
Mutual relationship among countries, socially, culturally,
In terms of socially, culturally,
economically.
economically. Okay. So globalization is the mutual relationship between countries in terms of social, economic, and cultural dimensions. Okay. What are the two positive things?
Uh, can get the latest technology,
Okay, we can take the latest technology,
can gain foreign capital,
can
and
take foreign capital.
can build foreign markets in other countries.
Okay, can you tell me what are the disadvantages, negative things?
Negative impact on local culture,
Huh?
decline of domestic manufacturers, and high competition in the environment.
Okay, thank you. Right, so these are the disadvantages of and the advantages. Okay, thank you. Right. Okay, now after that, can you hear me, guys? I'm audible to you.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Right.
Sir,
Okay. Now next one. Turn on the raise your hands, Kavit. Right, Seni. Those who gave the answers, you need to raise your hands. Then I can. Right.
සර්
Okay.
තවත් ළමයෙකුත් හිටියා.
ඇවුන
තවත් ළමයෙකුත් හිටියව නතුස්සන්න ඕනේද?
ඔව් තව එක්කෙනෙක් හිටියා කවුද සෙනිත් මි නේද I can remember right Senit raise your hands and this is to our Abdul right okay now can you tell me uh, this is from the second lesson okay now what is the political environment what are the things included in political
Law,
law is in the legal environment I'm asking about political environment
politicians,
politicians okay first of all give me a definition for the political environment really bad huh? Right your background is good but you are very bad right so tell me what is the term called political the environment which the activities of government right so included in the political coming under coco turn on the videos coming under political environment still not hey turn on the videos Sami Varana where are you now tell me at least tell me two things included in political environment politicians okay another one can you remember tax policy right can you remember infrastructure policy okay fiscal policy means the tax policy and the
Budget policy.
infrastructure policy right study and come right okay the final thing right so this is the final time this is the third time I'm going to remind right okay turn on the video raise your hands Abdul okay and these two Sanaya right right can you tell me what is the term called economic environment I want four things coming under economic environment
Sir, what's the question?
can you tell me what is the term called economic environment I want four things coming under economic environment four components in the economic environment
Economic environment is consists of economic factors that affect business,
uh-huh.
and the economic factors are interest rate,
okay
inflation,
okay
income distribution,
okay
level of employment.
right okay thank you very so right turn raise your hand right now I'm giving chance to Dilna right we can see your neck only right okay this is right okay now can you tell me right uh, four differences between goods and services You need to do a comparison in good and service.
Goods are tangible and services are intangible.
Okay.
Goods can be stored and services cannot be stored.
Okay.
Goods can be separated from the seller and services cannot be separated from the seller.
The one, please.
Goods are possible for transfer ownership, but services are not possible for transfer ownership.
Right. Okay. Thank you. Very good. Now, then I'm moving. Right. Raise your hands. Okay. Malki Gamlat, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So where is your video? No. Right. New student, day 1, day 2, day 3, or are you new students or old student? I
Day
can.
2, sir.
Day 2. All right. Okay. So I'm asking the questions from last week. Okay. Can you tell, Malki, can you tell me? I want from you 3 characteristics of partnerships. 3 characteristics of partnership. Yes.
Unlimited liability of partners,
Okay.
no continued existence,
Okay.
not mandatory to register partnership.
Okay. Right. Thank you. Raise your hands. Right. So I'm giving this one to Shiv. Hello. Right. Right. Okay. Can you tell me the 4 acts relevant to the partnership with the numbers and what it says? Difficult question. To give this one, I'll give you a tour to the Singapore. Right. Okay. So what are the 4?
Partnership. So asking what is a partnership?
No. What are the 4 acts relevant to the partnership? There are 4 acts. Can you remember? Acts and ordinance.
And number 7, 2000, sir.
ඒක අමාරුයි sir.
අමාරු විතරයි ඒක තමයි මම කිව්වේ. කිව්වොත් දෙනවා සිංගප්පූරුවට සවාරි.
Which sir, පාඩම් කරන්නේ.
පාඩම් කරන්නේ නැහැ. You need to, your knowledge should be up to date, right? Okay, right. Can you define partnerships here?
Partnership is an individual. Partnership is an individual that is operating in business activities to
Huh?
invest to earn a profit is known as a partnership.
Right. Okay. Very good. Thank you. Right. Now, right. Now I'm giving this one. Okay, raise your hands. To Dulindi. Can you tell me how we need to register the sole proprietorship? What is the act relevant to the sole proprietorship registration? And what are the documents?
Act is Business Name Ordinance, Act number 6 of 1980.
Okay.
There are 2 forms. We need to get them from the Divisional Secretarial Office.
Okay.
Then one form, then one application is completed by us. Then other one is completed by the Gramildari. Then the 2 applications we need to produce to Divisional Secretarial Office within 14 days.
Okay. So ultimately we are registering in provincial council, right? So provincial council act. Okay, very good. Thank you. Right, raise your hands. Now then giving this one to Senuka. Right. Okay. Now can you tell me what is the term called? Right. I'm asking from the first lesson. Right. Who are stakeholders? Right. And I want from you take one stakeholder and explain their expected contribution. Who are stakeholders?
Stakeholders are the different parties who are interested in business activities.
Okay. So take one stakeholder and tell me their expected contribution. Yes,
I don't.
you don't know, right?
No.
Okay, so study and come. It's in the next part. I know you gave the definition by looking the textbook also, right? Okay, so don't do it. So you know expected, but okay, good. Expected contributions, but stakeholders are expect from the business, right? Okay, you know, sorry, what business expect from the stakeholders, right? Which means the arrow from the business side to stakeholder side. Can you remember, guys? Right? What business expect from the stakeholder, right? Okay, raise your hands. And this is to okay non-video persons. Okay, Oshim, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so are you a new student or old student? I can day 1, 2, 3 or
Day 3.
day 3. Okay, can you tell me? Can you define what is a business organization?
Business organization is entirely consist of an individual or a group of members um, working together to produce goods or goods and services required to fulfill human needs.
Okay, so 2 or more people, which means a business organization comprises with an individual or group of individuals, right? Okay, working together to produce goods and services to fulfill human needs. Produce or manufacture goods and services, right? To fulfill human needs. And okay, raise your hands. Good, right? And this is to Melanie.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Uh, can you tell me, right? What are the things different? I want from you different components in technological environment. What is the term called technological environment? Can you tell me different 2, 3 things coming under technological?
So technological environment is like the environment in which technological related stuff is used to make the business a success.
Okay.
And so the components in technological environment is it's like environmental factors, you mean, right?
Yes.
So like use of production methods and development of field of transport and such.
Nanotechnology, right?
Yeah.
And computer technology, transportation. Yeah.
Yeah, digital technology,
Digital technology.
communication technology.
Right. Okay. Thank you. Nanondevi. Now, this is so raise your hands and these two Misha, are you there? No, no, no. Abdullah is asking, sir, are we doing the exam today? No, this is not the exam, right? Just asking questions. Okay. Right. So what happened to Misha? Are you there? Why are you not talking to me? I'll check it. GN6801. Right. Okay, this is to okay. Yasasi Jai Singh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
New student or old student?
It's my day 2, sir.
Day 2. Okay. Now, can you tell me uh, what are the disadvantages of sole proprietorship?
I wasn't there for that part.
Sorry.
I wasn't there for that part, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me two advantages, two disadvantages of partnership?
The profit is shared among the partners.
I'm asking about advantages, right?
Sorry, sir.
Two advantages.
It is convenient to commence the partnerships. It can be easily started, and the partners can take collective decisions, and there's a shared liability among the partners.
Okay. Dadi, advantage. And okay, raise your hands. And Yumit, are you there? Yes. Can you hear me? I can't hear you. Can others hear Yumit?
No, sir. No, sir.
Something wrong. I can't hear you. What is the matter? Nope. We can see hear a voice of a bird, right? Okay. Sanuji, did I ask question? No, right? Are you there, Sanuji?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me, this is your new, are you a new student or old student?
No, sir. Old student.
Old student. Sanuji, can you tell me, what are the, what is the, I want two strengths, two weaknesses, and where we can identify strengths and weaknesses of a business. From which end part?
We can identify strengths and weaknesses for business by
By observing or by investigating?
by investigating the internal environment of a business.
Okay. So, can you tell me two strengths and two weaknesses?
As strengths, experience of good managers, having a recognized brand name. As weaknesses, bad attitudes of employees, and limited capital.
Okay, right. Thank you. Oh, the issue videos also, right? Okay. Raise your hands and I don't. Jehan, are you there? Jehan, can you hear me? Jehan and Misha. අයියෝ සර් කුරුල්ලාවද ඇහෙන්නේ මාව ඇහෙන්නේ නැද්ද? නෑ. Jehan, are you there? No. Misha? Okay. No. Yeah, I'm checking you up after the class, right? So I took pictures GNI 7877 and GNI 6801. Okay. And Netuki? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear the voice of Netu? Guys? We can't hear you.
Sir, චූටි වයිස් එකක් ඇහුණා සර් කලින්.
No. Others? Right. Okay. Okay. I'll ask next day questions from Avinda and Gihansa. Right. Be ready. Right. Next time I'm started from you both of you.
සර්
Right? Yes.
අපි දවසක් මේ තරගයක් කියමුද ඕනේ මේ ප්‍රශ්න අහනකොට.
Pasta තරගයක් තියෙනවා. Hiruni and Saini also get ready. Right. Next time. Okay. Hiruni, I can remember. Hiruni, Saini, twins, and Avinda and Gihansa. Right. Okay. Next time I'm going to give you, like after the exams, I'm planning to conduct different things like group activities, right? So I'm right allocating different breakout rooms. Okay, because students you can gather together.
මම ඒක ඉස්සර කියන්නේ ඉස්සර අභිමන් සර් අපේ girls versus boys කියලා තරගයක් දැම්ම ඕන සයන්ස් වලට.
Okay, right. Let's do like that also, right? Okay. Now let's start the next lesson.
සර් අපේ ටොපික්ස් ටික බෙදලා දෙනවා කිව්වාද?
Topics ටික මම දාන්නම් පස්සේ. නැත්නම් වෙලා යනවා. මම මේ කට්ටියටම දාන්න නැහැ. allocate කරලා අවුලන්නේ නැහැ. මම ඔයගොල්ලන්ටම allocate කරලා photo එකක් දාන්නද group එකට? ආද? Right?
හා සර්.
Okay, I'll allocate it. Okay, I'm taking a picture. I can remember the names of you all. Right? So I'll send the things. Hiruni and Shiny, you need to present it separately, right? Okay. Topics from the second lesson, right? Okay. Now, incorporated companies. What is the part? Incorporated companies. Now, what is the term called companies? This is really important, right? So we have only 5 minutes, right? Okay. Incorporated companies. What is the term called incorporated companies and why we need the incorporated companies? Can you hear me, guys? Am I audible to you?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Right. Now, when it comes to incorporated companies, you know, right? Now, you know, in here, right? Quickly come to the textbook. Incorporated companies, right? A firm which is registered under the Companies Act number 7 of 2006 with a legal personality, having a legal personality, which means we can file a case, or we can, now companies can enter into the agreement using the business. Is it clear, you guys? Like the business is an artificial person here, right? So we can do everything. We can do the business legal activities using the, now you know this is Guru Universal Institute Private Limited. We can acquire assets, we can open bank accounts using the Guru Universal Institute Private Limited name. Clear, right? That's why when you are depositing the money, you need to you are depositing the money to the business this business name, bank name with the business name act. Clear? Business name, right? Okay. And the other than that, can raise capital by issuing shares. I told you in paper revision class. What is the term called shares? Now you know. Shares means, like, think you need 100,000 capital to start the business. How much? 100,000, right? Now, how much you need, guys? Think 100,000. You need to think 100,000. So you the one share is rupees 100. How much? 100. So how many shares you are issuing? 1,000 shares. To become as a shareholder, now this is the one share price. One share. This is the capital requirement, the amount to start the business. Now you are issuing shares. Issuing shares, how much? 1,000 shares. Clear? Easy, clear? You are issuing 1,000 shares. To become as a shareholder, you need to purchase any share, even one share. If you purchase the one share, you become as a shareholder. Clear? Right? Easy, clear to you? Right? Share ekak purchase karo, where shareholder kenek වෙනවා. Right? So the company වල shares ගන්න අය තමයි company අයිතිකාරයෝ වෙන්නේ. තේරෙනවද? There are two things, secondary market and primary market. I told you, right? This is really important because if you need to become as a shareholder and if you want to buy some shares, you need to have a clear idea about share, what is the term called shares, and how we can purchase shares, okay? And like the process, I'll tell you everything next time, right? Now if you want to get an idea before next class, just go to the YouTube, right, and type Chanuk's Bro shares, right? Chanuk's Bro share market. දන්නවනේ Chanuk's Bro, right? share
Yes.
market, right? Chanuk's Bro ගේ YouTube channel එකේ තියෙනවා මෙතින් share market එක ගැන videos දෙකක් තියෙනවා. තේරෙනවද? Just watch and come. First part and second part, you can have a clear idea.
ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් නැද්ද?
ඇහුන්නේ නැහැ.
ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් නැද්ද?
ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් නෑ මම හිතන්නේ. right? ඔයාට ඕනනම් අර subtitle දාගන්න පුළුවන්, right? So if you want, like, just type it about share market, you can have an idea. So the share market is totally different. It is the secondary market, right? Which means buying and selling shares among different investors. Clear? Right. Now, when you are going now walking on the road, you can see different business name ends with PVT Ltd. දැන් මම ලබන සතියේ chance එක දෙනවා. පුළුවන් නම් පාරේ යන ගමන් photos අරන් එවන්න. සමහරට ඔයා දැකලා ඇති. Let's see ABC PVT Ltd private limited. ඕ සමහර business තියෙනවා ABC PLC public limited company. PVT Ltd means private limited company. PLC means public limited company. Now, when it comes to sole proprietorship and partnership, we can use any name here, right? We can use like stores, groceries, anyhow. But when it comes to companies, now you know we are discussing about private sector businesses owned by different individuals in public, right? Here, not owned by the government. Now this is now every company name ends with PVT Ltd or PLC. මේ දෙකෙන් එකක්. තේරෙනවද? මේකේ දෙකේ difference එක මම කියන්නේ. පුළුවන් නම් next time පාරේ යද්දි පොඩ ෆොටෝ ටිකක් අරගෙන next Monday වලට කලින් මට එවන්න. right? ඔයා දැකලා ඇති PVT Ltd. This PVT Ltd is, yes.
එහෙනම් පාරේ ගිහින් ෆොටෝ ගන්න හැදලා තියෙම කවුරුයි හිතයි අපි වෙන තැනක කියලා.
අමරණ shape එකේ ගන්න. Private limited company. Next time අපි යන් street view එකක්, right? PLC means public limited. මේ public limited කිව්වම ඔයා හිතන්න එපා රජයට අයිති කියලා, public limited. දැන් ඔයාට අර Chanuk's Pro දෙනගේ වීඩියෝ එකේ තියෙන share market එකේ කියන්නේ මෙන්න මේ company category එක ගැන විතරයි. තේරුණාද? right? So I'll tell you the difference. Just read and come this part. Next time, next week, I'm finishing the incorporated companies. ඒකෙන් පස්සේ ලොකු ඒවා ටික ඉවරයි. Within like 2.5 weeks, we can finish the next this lesson. You know, I already did the registration part. Can you remember? Registration part I already did. Okay. So I think this will take another 2-3 days to start. But this part is really important. That's why I'm going slowly, right? So now see, these are the top rated companies in Sri Lanka. Number 1, Expo Lanka Holdings. Number 2, Haley's. Number 3, LOLC Holdings. Number 4, Stone Kills. Number 6, Carson, right? So likewise, these are the companies in Sri Lanka, top 10 companies in Sri Lanka. Is it clear to you guys? Right? So these are the top 10 companies in Sri Lanka. First one is Expo Lanka. නිකන් Google search කරලා බලන්න Expo Lanka business එක මොනවාද ඒගොල්ලෝගේ business activity එකක් බලන්න. Haley's එක අහලා තියෙනවද? Owned by Dhammika Pereira, right? Just check. So what is the term called Haley's? So what is their business activity? See, their revenue millions, how many, right? So I extracted this from the Wikipedia, and I included it here. Just include it. Just check it, right? You can see, right? PVT, PLC, right? So these are the companies. I'll explain. This is really important. Why? So in a country, the success depends on the companies. Is it clear to you guys? Right? Okay. So let's discuss this part next week. Hope you understood everything clearly. Now, sole proprietorship and partnership will be done. Clear? Next week I'm finishing cooperated. Right? Okay, guys. Let's meet on this Wednesday in paper revision class. I'll send the topics to the WhatsApp group, and also this Wednesday I'm going to do different questions relevant to this lesson from the extracting from the tute, and I'm giving different questions also. Okay, guys. Thank you.
Yeah.
Good night. Yes. Yes.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I don't have a textbook yet, so how can I refer the previous lessons and how I'm able to do the presentation?
So you want the videos, class videos? Oh, you can. Okay. You. What is the matter? Sorry.
Sir, we have to do a presentation regarding to the topics that you are going to give, no?
Yeah. Yeah.
So how?
Yes. So if you don't know, just observe the recording and just read and present it. No, it's clear. No need.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.